Hi guys. So this is my original character Ramona, and I'm just inking over her right now. First I did the sketch of her, and then I set that layer to a lower opacity, and then I can just ink right over that on a new layer. I don't have a specific inking pen that I like to use. I just kind of grab whatever is closest, I guess. I should, I don't know, I just haven't decided on one. I see such beautiful inking jobs in other people's videos, and I just can't, I don't know how they get such nice, inking lines. I'm just trying to do my best here. So that color layer that just came up, those are my colors that I've chosen to use throughout the book. And so whenever I need a color, instead of just guessing on what what color a shadow might be, or what color her eyes might be, I just flip on the color layer and grab up the correct color, so it's right every time. Here I'm just cleaning up the edges of her skin, and now I'm working on the shadow. So there are two kinds of shadow that I like to use. This is the hard edge shadow, which I just love the look of. I just can't stop using this shadow, even though sometimes it probably doesn't make much sense. I still like how it looks. So I'm using this hard edge shadow, but then I also like to use the airbrush to give more of like a soft 3D effect. So throughout the book, it'll just be a little bit of both. Here, and just kind of touching up the eyes, picking some colors again, starting on her eyes. I think the rest of this video is pretty much just coloring, and it's pretty self-explanatory. There's nothing that I need to explain about what's happening. So I'm just gonna let you go on and watch the rest of the video. Okay, thanks for checking this out. Bye.